The wonderful world of birds. Welcome to Lihami111. Today, we will embark on a journey to explore the magical world of birds, vibrant creatures full of colour, movement, and melodious songs. In this adventure, we'll discover the characteristics, behaviours, and crucial roles birds play in the natural world. Let's get started. What makes a bird? All birds share common traits. Feathers help birds fly, keep warm, and attract mates. Beaks. Birds don't have teeth. Instead, they have hard beaks that aid in feeding. Hard-shelled eggs. Most birds lay eggs. Hollow bones make them lightweight and easier to fly. Imagine if we could fly like birds. What a wondrous adventure that would be. The diversity of birds. There are over 10,000 bird species worldwide. Let's meet some remarkable ones. The mighty eagle. The king of the skies, eagles possess sharp talons and extraordinary vision, up to 4 to 5 times better than humans. The colourful parrots are not only beautiful, but also highly intelligent. They can mimic human speech and use tools to find food. The tiny hummingbirds are as light as a coin, but can flap their wings up to 80 times per second, creating a unique buzzing sound. The graceful flamingo's distinctive pink colour comes from their diet of small shrimp and algae. The mysterious snowy owl. With pristine white feathers, the snowy owl symbolises mystery. It adapts to icy environments with thick plumage and excellent camouflage. The penguins are master swimmers, using their wings like paddles to dive and catch fish underwater. The red-whiskered bulbul. Known for its cheerful songs, the bulbul also alerts its flock to danger. The magpie robin. This bird is famous for its sweet melodies and ability to learn songs from other species. The albatrosses glide gracefully over the ocean and can travel thousands of kilometres without flapping their wings. The lyrebird. A mimicry expert, lyrebirds can replicate sounds from machinery to animals. Unique behaviours and adaptations. The Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic annually. The weaver bird builds nests by weaving grass, while penguins arrange stones and swallows use mud. Camouflage. Owls and nightjars blend seamlessly into their surroundings.
The vital role of birds pollinate flowers, disperse seeds, and control pests. Without them, ecosystems would face severe imbalance. Thank you for joining Lihami 111 on this exploration of the wonderful world of birds. Keep discovering and protecting nature.